This is a commercial ADSB antenna. I ordered it from AliExpress. It is a PCB based antenna. A double-sided PCB has been used to create this antenna. SMA connector is available to connect the antenna to the cable or directly to the receiver. With this type of antennas, we cannot use a very long cable due to the high frequency. Loss in the cable becomes too much if we use a long length. It is better to use a filter and LNA along with the antenna so that signal can be amplified to reach the receiver via a short cable length. Length of the antenna is 170 millimeters and the width of the antenna is 20 millimeters. I hope to see you again in another video.